Hello, everybody. This is an open tag that was bought by, let's see, that pocket knife guy is Fifth Pocket Carry Knives. I actually carry knives in all of these have been carried in my fifth pocket. That's what I do when I go to church. I don't carry anything bigger than this. I don't need it. Enough people in the church got guns. So I don't need to carry a big knife. Uh, this one here is my favorite. It's what got me started in started on YouTube. It's the one I sent around to have reviewed by everybody, and I love the filing on this. It's a Camillus Deluxe. They're getting harder and harder to find, but I still look. Every once in a while I'll decide I want to carry this one. This was given to me by Clark's Kentucky Knives, Dwayne over there. I love this little knife. It's dirty. I need to clean it again. But nice little Schrade. And I've carried this one once, and I enjoy carrying this one. You pull it out to use it, and you've always got those people that want to look at it and play with it. And then I got this little thing. This is a Schrade Walden. I think that one is a Schrade Cutlery. I mean, that thing will take your finger off if you get it in the way. You can guarantee this one will. It's hard enough to get out. And I've been pinched by this one more than once. For an old knife, it's sure got the file on the back. Pretty little lobster. I love the sleeve boards. And then I got these two. These are Westerns. Nope, this one's a Camillus. Excuse me. They're both Camilluses. I was getting ready to say if this is a Western, it had to have been made by Camillus because it's got those double liners on that one side. Nice little knife. And then this is one of my favorite Camilluses. I love pen knives. It's not a real early one, but it is in excellent shape. And the dull run on this is really pretty. Well, I don't know why it doesn't want to. Maybe that'll help. But this is probably my favorite carry for Sunday. Nice and small, fits in there, there's no bulge in the pocket. I'm old school, raised. Okay, focus back on the bottom now. But I just thought I'd show them. It's what I consider a nice little open tag. Thought maybe you'd like to see them. You guys have a nice day and God bless you.